late night action. Built for my digital gauges. So on top of the dash. We're gonna wrap it, stitch it and wrap it. Digital dash, custom made box for it. About to wrap it. See, Dakota digital. TV working. Just wiring up the Dakota digital dash. All the original dash wiring still here. Just like to make sure I don't get rid of nothing. So everything can get wired up there. TV works. Just need some batteries for the remote. I ain't worried about you niggas, man. I run that shit up. Came from the bottom. Back then I ain't had shit. Back then I was on my dick. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. Came from the bottom. Back then I ain't had shit. Counting up the moolah. Back then I was on my dick. They talk about the ups, but it's. Alright, we just hooked up the window. I'm gonna let Malik hit the button real quick, show y'all what it's doing. Hit the button for me. Do it. That's universal. Got those. 75 for the kit, both doors, easy install. Can't lie, I love them. Hit it one more time for him, fat man. Using for all my cars. All right, we're back now. We got the other window hooked up. Look like crap without the door panel, but we're gonna let Malik hit that window over there first. Passenger window. Oh. Got that one hooked up. This on the universal kit, and this was on the original. Go ahead, hit it. We got the wire in there. We just ran it to the other side, which we're gonna run behind the dash and everything and tuck it in. We just gotta figure out where we wanna mount our switches. I was thinking about the center console, but we might mount them in the doors. All right, now we're just lining up the window with the top. Go ahead, let it up, fat man. All right, you see we got a little gap here. So we need to adjust it just a little bit, and we still got a little gap there, so we need to adjust just a tad bit. Let it down. Okay. Pull the handle, open the door. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna adjust this one here just a little bit to move it up, so the window can go up just a little bit more.
That which controls the window, like height?
Yeah. That allows it to go up a little more. So you see that little gap we got right there? We're just gonna move it up, and that'll allow the window to come up just a tad bit more. All right, now we adjusted that. We're gonna close the door. Let it up one more time.
All right.
It's all the way up?
Yeah.
All right, got a better seal on it. That piece, we got the trim piece that go here that's gonna hold that in, so now we got a better seal on it. Whole lot better seal on it. All right, you can let it down, fat man. Good. All right, let it down halfway. Let it down all the way. Good. Let it all the way up.
Set it down. Yeah. All right, so we got door handles in today. We got some windows working. Give them testing, right, fat man. Just gotta fix the guides a little bit. Adjust those, but we got the electric going with the original gearbox. Then we did this one here where we put the universal gearbox on this one here because it's a different door manual. We got the TV wired in. We just gotta put the TV on a switch so it's not on constant power. So we can turn it off and on when we want to. Once we do that, we're gonna move to the digital dash. We're gonna wrap this and secure that and run all our wire for the digital dash next. So stay tuned for that. Getting all that done. What you gotta say to him, fat man? Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
What did he say?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, I heard him. Regal project.